Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a project pan update, long overdue. I have finished many products since the last video, and I wanted to give you guys an update on the products I've been using up because I think that these are a fun video to do and you guys like them too. Anyways, holy crap, too much coffee today. The first product I'm going to talk about is my Kat Von D blotting powder. So this is the powder that I'm currently working on. The powder that you guys are seeing in the comparison is this one right here. I've completely finished this one up. I can't get any more of the product out, so I repurchased it since that project pan, and this is where I'm at. Like, it's been, I don't know how long it's been, maybe like a few months, but I'm already like done this one basically. So this powder I go through like water. It's crazy. I'm obsessed with it, but I did recently find a powder and I haven't touched this in about a week. So I'm kind of nervous that this is gonna come to a halt and I'm not gonna finish this up, but I'm determined to continue to use it, finish it all the way through before I hit pan on the other one, because that one already has a dent in it and I just want to finish this up and like get rid of it so that I can start fresh. But that's not how it works. I usually just find something that I like better and I just go for it. Gung-ho. Why did I say gung-ho? That's so freaking weird. The next product is my butter bronzer. Bronzers are so difficult to finish up. This is what it looks like right now. I've clearly hit a lot of pan, but I have a fresh one already in my collection and I just want to use it. Like, I'm done using this one and trying to scrape the sides for product, and I mean, it still clearly works because I'm like bronzed as hell today, but it's just annoying. Do you guys get annoyed using products that are like, there's nothing in the middle of the pan? Because I do. This is the first bronzer that I've ever finished up, and it's just gonna take a really long time for me to finish it, and I just want to use my new one. But this is the progress of where I'm at right now. I will keep using it, but damn. It's taking a while. This is my NYX eyeshadow. I use this as like a brow powder, and I'm still waiting to use a different brow powder that I have in my collection, the Benefit one, because I got that for Christmas and I still haven't touched it because I want to finish this one. But I haven't used brow powders in a very long time because I found a new brow product that I'm loving. I mentioned this in almost every video. I did a video on comparing brow products. I compared my Precisely My Brow pencil to a really affordable brow pencil, and I'm obsessed with it. I'm no longer buying the Precisely My Brow, and I'm only buying this $2 brow pencil, which is insane. And so I'll link it up here for you guys to go check it out. That's what I have on my brows today. So long story short, I'm no longer using this brow powder. There might be a day where I'm like, I need powder in my brows today. Or sometimes if I have like a slick back pony and like I have like sparse areas around my hairline, I'll use this to like fill it in. So I'll keep it. This is a hard one. This is my Burberry highlighter. Still working on it, still chugging away. The pattern is almost gone on it. I'm wearing it today because I needed to show that I wear it still. I just don't really wear it every day. My NARS Soft Matte Creamy Concealer in Vanilla. I really like this. I haven't used it a lot for the summertime just because, I don't know, my skin hasn't been that great lately. I don't know. I do really like this concealer and it's amazing for covering up blemishes, but I don't use it all over my face like I used to in the winter time, which is weird because you would think that I would use a matte concealer in the summer, not the winter. Anyways, so this is what the concealer looks like. It doesn't look like a lot has changed, but I have used it. I just mainly spot conceal with this. If you guys have seen my how to cover a pimple video, you guys will know that this is really great and it covers so much crap on my face. The next is another highlighter. I don't know why I put two highlighters in here. It's very difficult to finish them up. This is the Hourglass Trio. These are the two shades that I've been using up because this one's a little bit too bronzy, too like orangey. In the camera you can't see that I've done anything, but I can see like a dent in between the two where I swirl my brush, so that to me is enough. It's not a lot, but I'm working on it. So those are all the products that I'm currently working on and have been working on in my project pans previously, but that powder that I was talking about, which I think I'm going to hit pan by the next time I have this conversation with you guys in this video update. This is my new Holy Grail powder. I can't believe I'm saying that. I only bought it like a week ago, but this is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder in the shade One Fair. This is what it looks like I mean, you guys have seen a powder before. I can clearly see a dent in this already, and I've only used it for about a week, which scares me because it's so expensive. I'm probably gonna hit pan on it, so I wanted to let you guys know that this is coming for next time. Is that it? I feel like that's it. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed my project pan update. So those are all the products that I've added to my project pan and I've been working on. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.